Looking for a reliable brush set that can handle every corner of your bike or motorcycle? The Finish Line Easy Pro brush set promises to make cleaning faster and more effective with its variety of brushes designed for every part of your ride. Whether you're tackling stubborn grime on your mountain bike or just want to keep your motorcycle looking sharp, this set aims to deliver results without breaking the bank. When I first got my hands on this set, I was impressed by the thoughtful selection of brushes included. It comes with 5 different brushes, each crafted for a specific cleaning task. There's a small brush and a small spiral brush perfect for scrubbing the cassette and derailleur, areas that usually require a toothbrush or more effort to reach. The loop brush is great for cleaning cranks, tires, spikes, and hubs, while the large soft bristle brush handles general frame cleaning without scratching the paint. There's even a paintbrush-style tool to sweep away dust and dry particles from delicate spots. Plus, the handy 5mm ball chain keeps all the brushes together and lets you hang them to dry, which is a simple but smart feature that keeps your workspace organized. The brushes themselves feel lightweight and easy to handle. The plastic handles offer a good grip, and the synthetic bristles seem durable enough for regular use. While only time will tell how long they last, the price point makes it a low-risk purchase for anyone serious about bike maintenance. I've found this set equally useful for my motorcycle and scooter, so it's versatile beyond just bicycles. If you're tired of struggling with one-size-fits-all brushes or toothbrush hacks, this set gives you the right tools for every cleaning challenge. If you're someone who values a clean ride and wants a practical, affordable way to maintain it, the Finish Line Easy Pro brush set is worth a look. It simplifies the cleaning process, so you spend less time scrubbing and more time riding. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your maintenance routine and enjoy a cleaner, better performing bike or motorcycle.